Hey there, I am Chris Palmer, and in today's video, what I'd like to share with you is exactly how long does it take to rank a website. Now, what I did is I had two separate websites, two completely different websites. Both of these websites, we did zero link building, zero backlink building, and that's really the caveat here. How long does it actually take if you have a website, you go out, you follow all of the rules, right? You take care of building out high quality content. You took care of your internal linking. You did on-page optimization. You created 50 to 100 pieces of content, all optimized around one topic, one idea, one niche. You posted your content, and then how long does it take for Google to catch up without link building in order to start actually ranking, getting impressions, getting eyeballs, and getting clicks? So this right here is one of those sites. I want to go ahead and share this with you right now. If you take a look here at this timeline, you can see that this particular timeline started at 4/8 of 21. So that's April the 8th of 2021. Now, if you take a look here at the way this particular graph is laid out, you can see that April, May, June, July, August, September, October, we got a little trickle, right? And it really got a little tickle here in October. November, December, January. 10 months before we actually started seeing some real traction, really around month 8, month 9, without building any links. And the only thing I can say here is this particular niche is in the real estate space. When we're looking at this right here, at least for this niche, without building any links, at all we did was we built out 50 or 60 pages. We had our main service pages. We internally linked everything through the main navigation, header, footer. We also started building out some content around the topic. I think it was like 50 or 60 for this particular web page, anywhere between 50 and 100. This is very typical for our campaigns. We did zero link building, and as you can see, it took 10 months, 10, in order to start really ranking and getting impressions and clicks. So let's go ahead and look at the second example here. And I'll go ahead and bring this up. Now, this is an entirely different website, completely different, but it was started around the exact same time frame, literally at the same time frame. But when we take a look here at this particular page, again, let's take a look at the timeline. We launched multiple pages in the exact same niche, all right? But these are different cities in the same niche. Now, when we take a look at this, as you can see here, we started around the same exact time. So we have the 8th, right? So 4/8 of 2021. So that's April, May, June, July, August, September, October, right? November, December, January, again, the exact same time frame. And this is without building links. So if I have to answer this particular question that I receive, hey Chris, if I'm following guidelines, if I'm following by the book, I create plenty of content, I take care of my internal linking, I've done my on-page optimization, Chris, without building any links or running any traffic, doing any social. I mean, we literally created the pages and did nothing else, nothing. And in 10 months, we started to receive a pretty nice amount of traffic, impressions, and clicks. So if I had to go ahead and state this, and I've seen this across a magnitude of different niches and websites, look between 6 to 10 months, somewhere in that range. If you're not going to throw fuel on the fire, meaning, hey, maybe getting a little bit of traffic, maybe doing some social, maybe building some backlinks, like if you're not going to assist, you're just creating content and posting it, then look at about 8 to 10 months before you really start picking up traction. Again, a way to hurry this up, building links, high quality links that could be topically relevant. They don't have to be topically relevant, but start building backlinks. Not too rapidly, take it easy, 1 or 2 per page that are topically relevant that your competition has. Along with that, start building out your socials. Build out your knowledge graph for your brand. Start building out your brand entity. Be synonymous with the niche or the topic. Build out your socials. Build out, like, start tweeting. Start building out maybe YouTube videos. Start building those links in. Build authoritative backlinks that your competition has to the pages that you want to rank. Make sure you optimize your content. Make sure you're consistently posting and updating your content. And the list goes on. 8 to 10 months. Follow these rules. This is how long it takes. I have so many examples of this. It's crazy. The fastest, we really started picking up traction when we were really moving stuff was starting with either an auction or expired domain, and hurried up the process generally by 3 or 4 months. So my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any other questions about how to rank faster or ways that you can start getting traffic without link building, right? Just posting high quality content, just building out content, following the books, please ask in the section below. I'll be happy to help you out. If you need any services, go to services.chrispalmermarketing. You want to learn more advanced strategies, go to SEOmastermind.org, and I look forward to seeing you in the next How Long Does It Take to Rank on Google video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, and good day. Bye-bye.